With proceedings, kick-off at Kokrajhar. It is Bodoland FC against BSF Football Club. Bodoland in red will be attacking from right to left of your screen in the first half. And here comes Bodoland in attack. Joe squares it to the right. The captain with a cross in. There are two approaching players. So this might be the fastest goal of this edition of the Durand. And Bodoland have the lead. The fans can celebrate already. Oh, it's a giveaway almost. This can be BSF's moment. Is this the first goal of their tournament, of their campaign? Bodoland's chance to get back the lead. Chuangla from the spot. And Mamocha can make their fans happier. They're trying this idea time and again. Pilsen floating in. The keeper has got a touch, but it wasn't enough. It was not enough. And the substitute, Narzari.
Great dominance there from the first half, and also in the second half, slowly they've allowed BSF to really control this game on the counters. Every time.
Oh, a shot from distance. What a screamer.